6:30 a.m. March 7th, Friday, in the year 2025. Yeah, air activity is already beginning out here. See some clouds off in the horizon here. Got a smoke detector in the hallway that's been chirping all night long. And there's something up here. I have no clue what this is. Could just be a cloud that is lighting up. I don't know. Yeah, but anyways, I am standing out here barefoot. Oh, yep. Barefoot in my robe. Oh, what do we got up here? Can we see? Oh yeah, right up in here. We have an object that's kind of bright. Actually, to me, it looks like it's possibly two objects in one. Ooh. Anyways, let me step back in off that ice. The premise for this morning's video and the reasoning for it being recorded so early is because, well, I've been up for about an hour and a half or so, give or take, and I was reviewing my after posted material from yesterday. And I don't know, nobody's commented so far, but I see that there's been a few views per video. But I want to, while I'm on that topic right there, as far as views, let it be known that, as far as I'm concerned, this is another algorithmic analytic means of disinformation, misinformation, because in reality, all you have to do is click on a video. If it's not of your own content, just click onto it, click all of it, and it registers as a view. Okay? So, I'm quite certain that a lot of my so-called views are not actually views, but, somebody just people just kind of skimming their way through the video to see, what might there be to be seen, or just clicking on the video and then clicking off, nah, it doesn't interest me. Well, that's counted as a view. You don't have to watch a video in its entirety for it to be considered to be a view. And I know that myself as a viewer, I have seen this. Because now they got this little counter tally thing, right? Or tally counter or whatever. And you can see it for yourselves. Just go to any random video, click on it, click off of it, and boom, it counts it as a view. So to me, that is misinformation and disinformation, because to me, a view should consist of the totality of the viewing of the complete video at hand. Okay, enough said on that. Short story long. Let's get back to last night's recordings that I have just finished reviewing after they were posted last night. And what did I see? Well, a similarity between said greater light and lesser light. Did you happen to catch it? Very strange. Very strange indeed. Especially when you kind of consider the two objects, regardless of what they are, I don't know. But it's just kind of strange of where they're located and where the sun and moon is located. And then to see what I showed yesterday as far as the sun with this strange looking squarish shape around it. Were you able to see that? There's a nice strong line at the bottom indicating that box. Okay? Now if I was to have used my Canon camera, it would have came out in those red rose petals. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, I guess you'd have to go back and my past content, my earliest content, to see what I'm talking about as rose petals. But anyways, the rose petals will come out in a square formation when the camera is zoomed in onto the sun and the lens flare comes up. It's a lot of red dots in a square formation. Okay, so yeah, digital formatting, right? Okay, whatever. But no, there was a strange outline around, like I put in my title of my second to last video. There were colors around the circle, but inside the box. And the spectrum colors to the left and to the right of the greater light ended at the right angles of said box. Now then, furthermore, let's get back to what I stated as far as the similarities between the sun and moon. Well, I'll go ahead and just post a couple of follow-up screenshots to this video of what I captured of that similarity between the sun and moon. You know, I really think it's something to think about. Sorry people, I had to come back as hindsight being 2020 and this still being early in the morning. I had forgotten that due to the complications with artificial intelligence and whatnot, I uninstalled my editing app. So in order to see these screenshots from the videos recorded last night, you will have to go over to my community postings to see those. Otherwise, one last thought. We are to have, I guess, somewhat sunny skies today, even though looking off here into the horizon, one might beg to differ just from those observations, but still have many hours left to this day. And therefore, there's many hours of opportunities for recording stuff. I do have a couple of prop videos that I have plans on creating to continue on with some of my topics of discussion, but that will come at a later date. Today, however, this current point in time, I am basically topicless, and I'm going to try to remain that way today. I got other things on my mind for this Friday that takes precedence to thinking about topics of discussion. So, if anything, be prepared for a lot of possibly a lot of sky observations. And, well, I'll do my talking now, so there won't be narrations to those videos if those videos should happen to come into existence. So on that note, yeah, it's unfortunate that I got to do things this way. I wanted to just kind of slap those screenshots in the mix with videos, but I can't do it through my own photo gallery because it just kind of does that zoom in, pan back type thing, and I just want them to be, boom, right there, smack dab in your face. And that doesn't happen through my photo gallery editing, unless I go to KineMaster, and I've never used that. So anyways, we're going to leave it at that. Check out the community posting. And, well, we'll see you once again back here on this flip side. Take care.